Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create cost center standard hierarchy. So I will use the SAP path here, accounting, then controlling here, then cost center, master data. You can see here standard hierarchy, change and display. Click here, enter the controlling area here. I have created 7075. Then click on OK here. You can see here the standard hierarchy details. So I put the name here. Okay, then press save here. Now you can see this cost center hierarchy is created. I will check in transaction code KSH1 or 2 here for change. Now you can see the cost center initial group and it's already coming here. Press enter. You can see here. So below this, like you can create a subgroup or you can assign like a cost center here. So I'll create a subgroup here. So lower level. I'll create for a state wise here. So far I am creating group for Goa. Then again at same level. Ranchi. So you can create a multiple group over here under this, like whenever we will be creating the cost center master data, you can use this group for your reporting requirement. So then after you need to press save here. So this cost center hierarchy is created. If you want to view it again, then use transaction code KSH3 for display. Press enter. Now you can see the details over here. Thank you for watching this tutorial on YouTube. Please subscribe our channel.